Hello all, welcome back to my channel Digicourse. My name is Krishna Priya. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Elementor header and footer plugin. Have you ever imagined you could create your website header and footer without Elementor for free? So actually there was no option with the Elementor. Like you might have noticed if you wants to use some header and footer, it was asking you the pro version. So here I'm going to explain a simple way where you can actually create a free headers and footers for any type of websites. So now without any further delay, let's get started. In order to have a header and footer for any websites, so you just need to install a simple plugin called Elementor header and footer. So now I'm going to install that. Get into your dashboard and do that. So go to your plugins and then search for a Elementor header and footer. There you go. Here you have an Elementor header and footer builder. You just need to install it. And activate it. Done. All right. So now this is the website which I'm working currently. So I don't have any header and footer. I just had a body section over here. So I'm going to have a beautiful header and footer right now. So now visit appearance and then click this Elementor header and footer builder. And then add new. Then give a name for your template. And choose the type of a template. So whether you want to apply it for a header or footer, or whether you want to apply it before the footer, you can choose whatever the option you want. So as of now, I'm just going to choose header. So where do you want to display on? Do you want to display on entire website or only on few pages or only on few posts? So it's up to you. So I'm going to choose entire website. So I want to apply this header for entire website. So then here comes, if you have choose the Elementor Canva template for your website, better you choose this, okay, and then publish it. Okay, once after you publish, click this edit with Elementor and create a template now. Right. So there you go. You can click this plus icon and drag and drop whatever the elements you have. So I'm just gonna choose 3 columns now. So you can just drag it and drop. I'm gonna do like this as of now. Okay, here click this dial pad option and search for whatever the element you want to put. So now in this column, I would like to have a logo. So I'm going to search for a logo here. So can you see site logo HFP is appearing? Just drag it and drop. And by default, it is choosing my, logo I have already uploaded. So if you want, you can also change it. So alignment, choose alignment, left, right, center. Then if you want to give some caption, you give it. So I don't recommend giving any captions here. And you can also style it as we already know. So changing the width and maximum width you can change. So here in this column, I would like to have menu, search for menu. And there you go, you have a navigation HFP. So drag and drop. And choose the menu, whatever the menu that you have, you can choose it. So I feel I have different menus actually, so I would go with this. The next here, layout. So if you want, you can choose the layout like horizontal or vertical. So if you choose a vertical, the menu will appear like this. So I don't want this. I would go with the horizontal and choose the alignment, center, right hand side, and justified. So I would always go with the center. The next here comes style. You can also style them. So padding, choosing a horizontal padding, and then vertical padding, then space between the items. It's up to you. So I like this. The next here, you can still, make some changes. Like you can choose animations, you can choose margins, paddings. It's up to you. Go ahead and change the backgrounds also if you want. The next, so here I would like to have some button, drag and drop. Okay, so I will change the text like book. If you want, you can also give a link over here so that you can make this button clickable and alignment right center. Okay, so small, medium, or large. So small looks perfect for me. Then styling. So I want to change my background color for this. So I would choose. Okay, so my primary colors for my website is black and sky blue. Black and blue. Okay, it's perfect now. Okay, right. So if you still want to add any other elements, you can still add. You can also add some videos in our sections, text and all. So this is fine for me and update it. So if you want to see the preview, click this and see the preview and find out if you still want to make some changes. So once you see the preview only, then only you will get to know how well you have done and if you still want to make some change. Okay, this is how my header section looks like. So I don't want to change anything. So if you want to make it bit more colorful, you can just edit the section and then choose the background colors for the sections also, like gradient colors and all. So gradient colors like this. Okay, second color, I would choose something. I'm not good at colors anyhow. I'll just no. How about this? Perfect. And let me choose. Okay, and then this color. Okay. So this is fine for me. You can change the colors, background colors, and you can also have some slider images, videos also. It's up to you. So I'll end up having the menu like this. If you don't want, anytime you can come and change the colors. It's up to you. So I'll update it. Okay, so now I have uploaded. Now let us see how to create a footer section. So now I just finished how to create a header. Now let us go and create a footer. So let's go back. Go back to a footer and header Elementor. Now here you just created a template for header, right? So please do not forget to update it. Why? Because if you do not update it, the template don't get saved. So make sure that you update this header template one. All right. Okay, so now let us see how to create a footer. Same options. Under appearance, click this header and footer builder. Then click on add new. Then give a name. So you can give any name. It's not mandatory to give whatever the name I gave it here. So I'm just going to name it as a footer. So, and then type of template. It has to be footer. Why? Because you are creating this template for a footer. So display on, do you want to display an entire website or only on few pages? Choose, it's up to you. Then next, I want to choose it for canvas also. Then publish it. All right. So now edit with Elementor. So we just choose to the rules, that's it, but we haven't created a template. We have to create it now. So now it's the same way how you have worked on a header template, the same way you have to work for a footer. So I would drag some 3 columns here. So 3 columns, and I just want to drag it right side. So this time I would like to have some heading over here. So if you want, you can edit it. So I would like to have some about us. Okay. So, and okay, first of all, let me show you a reference site. I want a header to be created something like this. So I want something like about us, and I want something like Google certifications and get in touch like contact. So under about us page, I want to have some text, I mean, some kind of paragraph. So I would take this text editor and drag it, drop. Okay, so have a text over here. I'm just gonna take this text. Okay, and apply it. Okay, so again, you can style this, alignment, text colors, it's up to you. Left, center, right. Okay, I'll go with left. Then text color. Okay, then advanced, change the margins, paddings, it's up to you, entire up to you. Then borders, backgrounds, and all. And I would like to have some social media icons also. So for that, search for social icons. Yeah. So drag and drop. Okay. So here it is. Here I have a Facebook and Twitter. So mention the link. If you don't want a Facebook, you can just remove it and add. I would like to mention my Facebook page URL. So that when someone click this, they will redirect to my Facebook page. Okay, right, fine. So Twitter, the same way Twitter, the same way YouTube also. If you still want to add few more items, you can add. Shape it round, corner, square. So round is fine. Then alignment, center or left hand side or right side. So I would go with the center, then style it. If you want to change the colors of these icons, change it, and size also. So sizes, yeah, this is fine. Then padding, space between the icons also you can choose. Fine. And here in this section, I want, I want something like this in Digicourse I have mentioned, right? So like this. So here, instead of that, certifications menu. And I want you to be displayed here. So I would go with the navigation menu and then place it here. Navigation. Okay, so then choose the menu and then type layout. So layout, I would choose vertical. Okay, so if you choose a vertical, this is how it appears. If you choose a horizontal, that's it. And alignment center or right side and justified. So left side is fine for me. And then still you can make some changes, horizontal padding, vertical padding, space between, space. Okay, this looks perfect. Okay. And the next thing is here, I would like to have some contact info. So I'll take this, put it here. Okay. And then I'll write something like something like this. And if I want, I can simply add a icon also so that it looks great. Okay, so you can also search for phone. Okay, this is fine. Okay, right. And then here it's I would like to mention email. So you can also have, okay, and then what else I can have? Address. I'll go and choose some address. Yeah, this looks perfect now. So now what I'll do is I'll have some, text also, the heading one. Drag and drop. Right? Yeah, the width and everything, everything looks perfect. Now I just want to make some changes with the column. So vertical align middle, and for this column also I would choose vertical align middle, and this also I would choose middle. So column is default. Okay, update it. Now let's go back and see the preview, how it looks like. Sorry, this is how our footer looks like. Okay, so if you want, you can still make some changes with the text and all. I guess the about us page and menu is not matching. So the alignment is not matching. Let me go back and change the alignment one. So this column I would like to change to top, and this column also I would like to change it to top, and then update it. So let's see the preview now. Yeah, now it's perfect. So I have some about us page and menus, and then get in touch like contact stuff also. So now I have created header and footer. So let's go back and then publish this footer item once. So as I said already, do not forget to update the template. Let's go back. Okay, so update it. Okay, so now let us check whether the header and footer got applied to our entire website or not. Let's just check now. Okay, so there you go. Can you see? The header section got applied successfully, and let's scroll it down and see. Yeah, so my footer section also got applied successfully. Right? So this is how we create a header and footer with the Elementor for free version. So finally, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it brought you some value. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon also, so that you don't miss out the other tutorial. So see you in the next tutorial. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.